Hi, I'm Albert Einstein. Welcome to History Nibbles. Today I'll explain how imagination proved more powerful than numbers and turned physics upside down.
Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in the city of Ulm, in the Kingdom of Württemberg in the German Empire. He was the first child of Hermann Einstein, a sales representative and engineer, and Pauline Koch. The Einstein family moved to Munich shortly after his birth, where Hermann and his brother founded a company that manufactured electric machinery. Einstein exhibited early signs of curiosity and intellect, particularly in mathematics and physics. His family was secular and has been described as non-observant Jews. In 1889, he began attending the Luitpold Gymnasium, where he faced challenges due to the school's rigid educational approach, which was in stark contrast to his independent thinking style. Despite difficulties, he excelled in his studies, particularly in mathematics and physics, which would later become the foundation of his groundbreaking work. In 1900, Einstein graduated from the Polytechnic Institute in Zurich. His early career was marked by difficulty in securing a teaching position, leading him to accept a position as a patent examiner at the Swiss Patent Office in Bern. During this period, he continued to engage in scientific research and began publishing papers that would lay the groundwork for modern physics. His Annus Mirabilis, or Miracle Year, came in 1905, when he published 4 influential papers on the photoelectric effect, Brownian motion, special relativity, and mass energy equivalence, encapsulated in the famous equation E=mc². These publications garnered significant attention from the scientific community and established him as a leading physicist. Einstein's work flourished in the ensuing years, and he accepted a position at the University of Berlin in 1914. It was during this tenure that he developed the general theory of relativity, published in 1915, radically transforming the understanding of gravitation. This theory introduced the concept of spacetime and provided a new framework for understanding gravity as the curvature of space around massive objects. The prediction of the bending of light by gravity was later confirmed during a solar eclipse in 1919, earning Einstein international fame and recognition, which led to his rise as a public figure. The cultural upheavals in Europe during this period, especially in the aftermath of World War I, influenced his perspectives on peace and humanitarianism. Einstein's contributions to physics in the early 20th century coincided with significant societal shifts. The scientific advancements paralleled the tumultuous effects of World War I and the interwar period, which fostered a climate of intellectual and cultural exploration. In 1921, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for his explanation of the photoelectric effect rather than his relativistic theories, demonstrating the evolving nature of scientific validation and recognition. Throughout the 1920s and 1930s, he was an advocate for civil rights, education, and pacifism, using his prominence to address pressing social issues. However, the rise of the Nazi regime in Germany forced him to leave Europe for the United States in 1933, where he accepted a position at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey. In his later years, Einstein continued to work on theoretical physics, while also becoming increasingly vocal about the implications of scientific discoveries in the context of warfare and ethics. His concerns about nuclear weapons emerged after the development of the atomic bomb, and he became a proponent of nuclear disarmament and international cooperation. Einstein's scientific legacy encompasses not only his groundbreaking theories, but also his reflections on social responsibility and human rights. He passed away on April 18, 1955, in Princeton, leaving behind a profound impact on both science and society. His work continues to influence modern physics and remains integral to ongoing discussions about science's role in addressing global challenges.